Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new syllabus of third standard. So when we start our syllabus, the first topic which we are going to study today is poem. The name of the poem is A Pretty Game. Pretty means what? Pretty means beautiful, which looks beautiful. Or then now, if there is a girl who has worn nice dress, what we call her? You look quite pretty. We see a boy who looks good, dress up, what we say, you look quite handsome. So in such a way, there is a pretty game between sun and rain. There is a pretty game between sun and rain. So first of all, I will recite poem for you all. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. What were they doing? The sun and the rain in fickle weather. Fickle means what here? Fickle means something that changes quickly. Weather changes, you know it very well. There is difference between weather and season. Season means what? Which changes after a long time. Now there are 5 seasons. They change after some months. Correct? You know it. There are main 3 seasons: rainy, winter, summer. Then how this seasons changes? They changes after 4 months. You know it very well. After 4 months, if it is now raining, if it is now June, July, August, September, now this is rainy season. After rainy season, there will be winter season. After winter season, there will be summer season. So summer seasons changes after a long period of time. But weather does not changes after long period of time. Weather changes quickly. It can change in fraction of second. Now if it is sunny, after sometimes it will rain. If it is raining just now, after some time it will be sunny. So weather changes quickly. And meaning of word fickle means what? Which changes quickly. Fickle means what? Something that changes quickly. Now here it is told, the sun and the rain in fickle weather. Weather is changing. Sometimes it is sunny, sometimes it is rainy. So there is a game between sun and the rain. And what this sun and rain were doing? They were playing hide and seek together. What they were doing? They were playing hide and seek. You know it very well. Hide and seek. You people play hide and seek at home, right? One person hides. If you have 4 or 5 friends, then one child will find out others, those who have hidden themselves. So in same way, sun and rain, they were playing what? They were playing hide and seek game. Then what happened further? And each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. Now, if sun was hiding behind, if it was raining, then sun used to be hidden because of clouds. Clouds used to come before sun. If it is like this, if it is a sunny weather, what clouds were doing? Clouds used to come in front of sun. When clouds will come in front of sun, what will happen? We will not able to see sun. Then in same way, they were playing what? And each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. Then what sun will do? Sun was coming out. Then again clouds were coming front. Again clouds will hide sun. In this way, they were chasing each other. What is meaning of chase? Chase means what? Run after somebody to catch that person. Now who was running behind whom? They were playing hide and seek. Sometimes sun used to come first, then rain. Rain means they were not running behind each other like how you people run behind each other. You chase each other or not in school. In class you are chasing each other. On playground you are chasing each other. Means what you do? You play, you run behind each other. It was not in such a way. Sun was not running behind rain. What used to happen? Clouds will come in before sun. It will start raining. Then there will be no sunlight. Then after some time again clouds will disappear. Again there will be sunlight. In such a way, that natural process was going on, and that natural process in this poem, poet is saying that it is a pretty game. There was a game going between sun and the rain. Next, then they were hiding behind each other. Then at last what happened? At last they met to say goodbye. what they used to play, they were playing. For some time it was sunny weather, after some time it was rainy weather, again it was sunny weather, again it is to rain. So this process was going on, and at last they met each other. Now it is said that actually sun and rain is meeting or what? No. But in poem, expressions are put in such a way that it is said that sun and rain met each other and said goodbye. What did they say to each other? They said each other goodbye. And lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. As soon as rainfall was over, or it stopped raining, sunlight also was about to, or you can say sun was about to set, or there was going to become a sunset. Are you ready? They were going to say goodbye to each other, and that time naturally what was seen in the sky? Rainbow was seen in the sky. What was seen? Rainbow. Now you know rainbow. Rainbow means what? The colors, 7 colors which we see in the sky. Do you know which colors are there in rainbow? There are violet. There is violet color, indigo color, blue color, green, yellow, orange and red. Which colors are there in rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue, green, orange and red. These all 7 colors together makes the rainbow. The sequence is same: violet, indigo. First will be violet, after that will be indigo, then it will be blue, after blue it will be green, after green it will be orange, and after orange it will be red. So these 7 colors were seen in the sky in the form of rainbow. A rainbow spanned the sky. Spanned means what now? Meaning of spanned means what? S-P-A-N-N-E-D. Spanned means spread from one end to the other. Rainbow spreads from one end to another end. Now let it be any direction. It can be any direction. It can span from north to east, north to south, or it can span from east to west. So it is said that as soon as rain and sun said goodbye to each other, what was seen in the sky? In fresh sky, rainbow was seen of 7 colors. And it is said that it started spreading from one end, it spread from one end to another end. In this way, the pretty game between sun and rain is described, and it is quite interesting poem. There is sun and rain. They are playing hide and seek, and each in turn is trying to chase other person, or not other person. Sun is trying to chase rain. Rain is trying to chase sun. And at last, when they get tired, that time they say goodbye to each other, and rainbow is 7-colored rainbow is seen in the sky. Now here are some word meanings I'll read for you. Frickle. Frickle means something that changes quickly. Keep in mind there is a word in this poem in first line. Frickle. Frickle means what? Something that changes quickly. Second one is chase. Chase word is also there in our poem. Run after somebody to chase that person, or to catch that person. Chase means what? To run after somebody to catch that person. Next one is span. S-P-A-N-N-E-D. Span means what? Spread from one end to the other. In this way, we have studied this short poem. I think you all have understood. Here is some homework for you. You have to read this poem, and you have to even learn this poem. You have to write down this poem in your English notebook. You'll have to prepare one English notebook for for 3rd standards class. You have to write down poem in your notebook. You have to learn this poem. Even you'll have to put a sweet tune for it. Next, Then there are various games which are played and enjoyed among each other. Name any 5 other games that you play and enjoy. You have to write down names of any 5 games which you play and enjoy together, or you play with your friend. You have to write down names of any 5 games. Next, you have to learn names of, you have to learn the colors which are there in rainbow. You have to learn the names of the colors which are there in rainbow. Which are those? Violet, indigo, blue, green, orange and red. You have to learn this all spellings. You have to learn these colors, spellings of these colors. Okay. And there are some more questions. You have to write down some words related to weather. You have to write 1 or 2 sentences about weather. Now, if I'll ask you what is weather, then you should able to tell me that the climatic condition which changes after some time or some minutes or quickly, which changes quickly, that is called weather, ma'am. There is another word, sky. You have to write down 2-3 lines about sky. What is sky? So there are some questions in your textbook in exercise. I will send you those questions. You have to write down those questions. After listening to my video, you have to write down answers of those questions. You can prepare your answers and write down in your English notebook. Okay? Thank you.